So this is Wortley Hall, walled kitchen garden. So it says in the 1870s 11 different varieties of dessert grape were grown here. It's really, really important to the hall and to the Wortley family. Today we can go in. So I know this section here has been roped up because they've had a lot of problems with weeds and some rats as well. So, but this area opposite has got the fantastic old varieties of apples and pears. Some of them are really old, and some of them have been planted in more recent years. Yeah, it says this area's been treated for Japanese knotweed. So at the moment they can't plant this up, so it does look a mess, this area. But bearing in mind this is run by volunteers, got all these different varieties, and each variety's got its name. Fillingham Pippin, this one. This one is Charles Ross. And some of the apples are absolutely massive. Oh, this has got to be the best one. Jester, this is known as.